This is the Hewitt UltraDock screw leg install video. Lay out and inventory all of the parts and pieces. UltraDocks come standard with pre-drilled mounting holes. To start the installation, flip your UltraDock upside down. Using the mounting hardware, attach the screw leg to the dock. The 3 shorter carriage bolts are used to attach the screw leg to the dock. Use the longer carriage bolt to attach the crossbeam to the screw leg. When mounting the crossbeam, make sure that you use the supplied washer. After installing the second leg, we now need to attach the other end of the cross brace to the adjacent leg. Secure the crossbeam to the screw leg with the carriage bolt, washer, and nut. To finish the screw leg installation, tighten down all the nuts. The hub protrusion goes towards the inside of your dock. To secure the wheel to the axle, use a washer and cotter pin. When installed correctly, the cross braces will form an X formation. With the UltraDock now right side up, start by removing the locking bolt from the screw leg. You are now ready to make height adjustments to the screw legs. Using a 9/16 6-sided socket and your drill set to the lowest setting, you're ready to adjust the height. Once the desired height has been achieved, replace the locking bolt and reinstall the dock plug. Your dock is now ready for the water.